I love hummus. I do. It's a delicious dip made with garbanzo beans or chickpeas, whatever you want to call them. I call them, and you just mix in a few things and then you eat it. So I'm going to show you how. I've made this before, but it's very simple. I'll put the recipe up at the end. And I have my food processor here. I'm just going to dump in the garbanzo beans. I drained them. I'm going to add some tahini. This is roasted sesame seed paste, and it's already, a paste. I can just squeeze it in. I need 1/4 of a cup. So I'm just going to squirt it directly in here and guess. I think that looks good. Next, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm also going to just pour it in. I'm not going to measure it because this is the kind of recipe that I don't think you really need to. And if it's too thick or something, I can add more later. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice that I have ready here. I'm just going to pour that in. A clove of garlic. I don't have any garlic, so I'm going to use some of my crispy garlic from Trader Joe's. And I just poured some out in this little bowl to show you. It's just little roasted garlic pieces, and that will work great. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in. So now we're going to mix it up. And that is still a little chunky. It's kind of thick. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. And this is something you do just to get it to the consistency you like. If you like it really thick, you don't have to do it. Don't have to add any water. Okay, let's finish it up. That looks a lot creamier. It's not so grainy. So here is my plate. I just cut up some celery, cucumber, radish, and put some baby carrots on the plate. I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil to the top of the little bowl of hummus. And I'm going to sprinkle on some black olives. You can do whatever you want. If you see in the store that they have hummus, like roasted red pepper or garlic hummus, you can make it however you like. So I'm going to go ahead and try some. Here is my plate of vegetables and my little bowl of hummus, and I'm going to give it a whirl. It's very tasty. The garlic gives it just a little bit of spice. It's not hot. And the tahini gives it that authentic hummus flavor. Let me know if you will try making some hummus, and if you already do, if your recipe is totally different, or if it's very similar to mine. I'm going to enjoy this as a light dinner tonight. I'm sure I'll have something else with it, but I'm trying to get more vegetables in my diet, and all of these vegetables plus the hummus That's vegetables too. So let me know if you try it and if you like it. I'll put the recipe up here, and you feel free to pause the screen so that you can take a screenshot or take a picture so you can make it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.